Hi, I'm Dr. Steve Greene from Advanced Dermatology and Laser Institute of Seattle. Today we're going to have an exciting exploration in the area of facial volume replacement with one of my favorite biostimulatory fillers, Sculptra Aesthetic. Sculptra Aesthetic is made of an ingredient called poly-L-lactic acid. It is suspended in sterile water, and after it stimulates new collagen production in the skin, is actually broken down by our body into lactic acid and metabolized. Sculptra Aesthetic has become one of our most popular volume replacement products. We used to think of Sculptra Aesthetic as a filler, but truly, it's not a classic filler. It is a biostimulator for collagen production. And it helps, in a more organic way, stimulate one's own collagen to help replace volume loss. We know from research that from the age of 20 onward, we start losing about 1% of collagen in our facial structure as well as the skin itself on a yearly basis. So by the age of 30, we've lost 10% volume of collagen. So we're starting to introduce Sculptra in patients who are even in their 20s with very beautiful beneficial results. Typically, Sculptra will last for 25 months duration, which is much longer than hyaluronic acid fillers. Have patients come an hour early. We'll put a numbing cream on their skin to get their skin comfortable. We will place numbing dots in the skin so that the entry points where we place Sculptra Aesthetic is totally painless. A patient will receive 1 or 2 vials of product per session, and some patients will need 2 or 3 sessions to achieve their treatment goals. We do have some patients who have more volume loss, and they might need as many as 4, 5, or 6 sessions to help achieve their volume replacement goals. At the conclusion of the treatment, we will tell patients exactly an appropriate aftercare plan, which includes a special massage. We have patients apply the massage for 5 minutes, 5 times a day for 5 days. It's the 5-5-5 rule that helps patients remember this. We want to avoid Sculptra Aesthetic lumps or bumps, and that's why this massage is so critical. It really is the secret sauce, I think, the special massage, and most of our patients do not have any side effects whatsoever.